decent suspension.
It's not bad.
We got an addition that we have to make here. So I have ordered and received my Agile Performance steering angle kit. And this guy's good for 45 degree and 55 degree of angle. So obviously we're going to start by removing the old tie rod, which we kind of already got into because when we were doing the suspension, I had to pull it out of the way. So took the nut off, and then I put a ball joint remover on here and popped those out. So that's easy to take off now.
She was pressed in there good.
Nice. Although we left that on there because you want to.
I've already done it.
Yeah, it just makes it easier to break the nuts loose there. Oh, my gloves. Stay clean. We got 23 minutes to do this. So yeah. I mean, normally this is tight. We broke it loose already. Back her off a bit. And then take this off. And then we just have to thread that guy off. So, I believe that was the 3/4 and the 14. Let's see if we can crack-a-lack this guy again. Oh yeah, not a problem at all. That boot looks a little worse for wear, eh?
Yeah, I saw that.
She's looking kind of spent.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I don't know if most kits do, but this one didn't come with like a set nut. So leave that one on there. Pretty simple installation, gotta say. So we throw this guy on. And I'm just gonna throw this close to where the stock setup was. Just spin that down for now. We'll figure out all that later. Now, this guy, I need to break that. Yep. So when you're doing this, if this is your ball joint here, the hole on the right is your extended angle. So this is 55 degrees. Hole on the left is going to be your 45 degree. So obviously we want a little bit more angles. We're just going to leave her where she is. Pop her up there. Your little Allen key just goes right back over the arm here. Okay. And then you also have this little set screw here, which I believe is meant to keep this side basically from being cranked into the arm here, this side of the whatever. Just space this evenly is what I'm trying to say there. Okay. And then tighten this guy down. That was the 3/4, I believe. 3/4. Good and tight, and the bottom as well. Okay. Now you can see stock travels probably anywhere between here and I don't know, I'd say about there. This one goes all the way to there.
Oh, man.
Quite a bit of improvement there as far as angle goes. Of course, you're going to have to watch out for all your arms and all the stuff back here, but worst case, if it's too long, you just move this guy over that other notch and done like dinner. So now,
So you straighten that out.
yeah,
I need to come towards you a bit more, probably. Just a little bit there. So
out there.
this side, oh yeah, you got some adjusting.
A lot of aligning to do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is going to have to get sunk way back.
Yeah.
So that's the other thing. I mean, there's no point in tightening up your these lock nuts until you've kind of figured out how far-ish you got to adjust it, and then definitely go get a power steering alignment done. Just a steering alignment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, after we adjusted our tie rod nuts here, this guy and this guy sort of tried to get straight on both sides. We'll take it in for the steering alignment. That should definitely get us there. Super simple kit though. I would recommend it, and it does give you quite a bit of angle. Get to drifting.